Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we've got a fantastic module to look at that. Will help you squeeze even more life out of your Android device, the Extreme Battery Saver Magisk module. This module is designed to optimize your battery usage and give you a significant boost in longevity. And the best part? Installation is super straightforward, provided your device meets the requirements. So, let's dive right into the installation guide. First things first, you'll need either Magisk or KernelSU installed on your Android device. This module is officially compatible with Android 11 all the way up to Android 14. This is important to remember because it defines the sweet spot for this module's performance. As you might know, stock Pixel phones running Android 11 and later already have a robust Extreme Battery Saver feature built in, and this module aims to bring similar or even enhanced functionality to a wider range of rooted Android devices. Now, to get the Extreme Battery Saver module, head over to the download link, which you can find in the video description below. Once you've downloaded the module, open up your Magisk app or KernelSU app. If you're a KernelSU user, there's one important step you need to take before installing. Go into your KernelSU app settings and make sure to disable Unmount Modules by default. This is crucial for the module to function correctly. Now, whether you're using Magisk or KernelSU, navigate to the Modules section. Tap on Install from Storage or Install from Internal Storage, whatever the option is on your device. Then, browse to where you downloaded the Extreme Battery Saver module and select it. The installation process will begin. Once it's complete, you'll be prompted to reboot your device. Go ahead and do that. And that's it. Once your phone restarts, the Extreme Battery Saver Magisk module should be active and working its magic in the background, helping you conserve battery life. Now, a quick note about compatibility. While this module is designed to work across a range of Android versions up to 14, we've observed that it might not be fully functional on devices running Android 15, especially on older hardware with custom ROMs. For instance, we've had reports of it not working on a Redmi Note 7 Pro running Android 15 with superior OS custom ROM, and similarly on a OnePlus 6T running Android 15 with CrDroid custom ROM. This isn't necessarily a fault of the module, but rather a common challenge with newer Android versions on older devices and custom ROMs, where underlying system changes can sometimes break module functionality. However, don't let this discourage you. You can definitely try it on your specific ROM and device configuration. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Android tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.